17th. We celebrate this great day with the wearing of the green. We honor those that helped to build a nation strong and true. We celebrate this great day, we'll wear the green with you. Among the greats and names in our history, you'll find a Meek and you'll find another came from over the sea. To help our America grow, on a help our America grow. Let it go. Hey! We celebrate this great day each March 17th. Come and join us, we celebrate by the wearing of the green. We know that we can count on them through good times and bad. When the brave are needed anywhere, you'll find an Irish lad there. Among the greats and names in our history, you'll find a Mick and you'll find another came from over the sea. Help our America grow, how to help our America grow. Yeah, to help our America grow, yeah. Among the greats and